Hello and welcome to the weekly fundamental review for the week of June 30th to July 4th, 2014. This weekly fundamental review is brought to you by IG Kiwi, www.igkiwi.com. Starting off on Monday, out of New Zealand, we will see business confidence data. This will be interesting to see whether all the good recent fundamental data in New Zealand can continue, and as we see the New Zealand dollar at 12-month highs, whether this will push the New Zealand dollar even higher or bring it back. Out of Europe, we will see German retail sales, CPI flash estimate. Then out of America, Chicago PMI and pending home sales. Quite a quiet week fundamentally to start. It gets much busier on Tuesday, as we will see a lot of manufacturing data. Manufacturing data is a very good forward-looking indicator because it reflects changes in the economy very quickly and thus is good for FX trading. We will see manufacturing PMI data out of China, both government and HSBC, also out of the UK and out of the USA. Also on Tuesday, we'll see the cash rate and statement out of Australia, German employment data, and then the unemployment rate out of Europe. And it's worth noting that in Canada there is a bank holiday, which may reduce liquidity during the American session. On Wednesday, things are much quieter than on Tuesday, with construction PMI data and then ADP non-farm data, which will liven the market up during the American session and the end of the middle to end of the European session. Moving to Thursday, we will see retail sales data out of Australia, services PMI data out of the UK. Then things will start heating up in the FX fundamentally, as we will see retail sales out of Europe, the minimum bid rate and conference from the ECB, and then moving across the Atlantic to the USA, we will see non-farm payroll data and then we will see the unemployment rate and non-farm manufacturing. On Friday, things get a lot quieter than they were on Thursday. In Europe, we will see German factory orders, and we will see greatly reduced liquidity because there is a bank holiday in America. Around the world, things that we should be looking out for fundamentally, things that may move the market. Definitely we should be watching the ongoing situation in Iraq and whether this will put any pressure on oil prices and gold prices, which in the reverse may put pressure on the US dollar. This weekly fundamental presentation was brought to you by IG Kiwi, www.igkiwi.com. IG Kiwi, connecting the world's financial markets.